Now students, after the explanation of sentence, its parts and types, I am going to start with transformation of sentences. Children, when we express a sentence in various forms without changing its meaning, this is called transformation of sentences. Means we can say a type of sentence into different modes, but remember its meaning should not be changed. So this is called transformation of sentences. Now I want to show you something. Declarative sentences can be changed into interrogative sentences. Same as interrogative sentences can be interchanged into declarative sentences. For example, it is raining. This is declarative sentence. Now we can make it interrogative mode. We can change it into interrogative mode without changing its meaning. For that, we have to bring this helping verb in front of the subject to put it into interrogative mode. So now I have changed it. Is it raining? And at the last, question mark. Now I have changed a declarative sentence, it is raining, into interrogative mode, is it raining? Okay, so meaning is not changed. This is transformation of declarative sentence into interrogative sentence. Similarly, if interrogative sentence is given, we can transform it into declarative also. Secondly, declarative sentence can also be changed into exclamatory. For example, it is a lovely day. Now we can change it into exclamatory as what a lovely day it is. Means in declarative it is put into in front of the sentence, but in exclamatory it goes at the last of the sentence. So now meaning is same. It is a lovely day. Now I am saying what a lovely day it is. Means the day is very lovely. So the meaning is same but the mode is changed. Similarly, if an exclamatory sentence is given, then we can change it into declarative also. What a beautiful flower it is. Now we can say it is a very beautiful flower. Right? I hope you understand it. Now, imperative sentence can be changed into interrogative. But before changing it interrogative, we have to put a subject to it, because in imperative sentences